This is a video on how to execute the Mixing Different Velocities lab for Principles of Tech. We're going to have a fan cart and we'll have a dune buggy. The fan cart will start at no velocity from standing still and speed up. The dune buggy will have a constant velocity. You probably should take one of these dividers and set it up in case you don't grab the fan cart. We don't want it running into anything and getting broken. This is a 2-meter course. And I use bigger marks at the beginning, end, and in the middle just to help me keep track. So this is 0.2468, 1 meter, 2468, 2 meters. So the basic exercise looks like this. I'll just let it run all the way through. We get the dune buggy going. When it reaches the first mark, you let go of the fan cart. The fan cart will catch it. We want to time the fan cart to where it catches the dune buggy from the middle to the end. So this one is just barely acceptable. Okay. So they caught up right about there. So it was past the middle. As long as it's past the middle and before the end, we're good to go. I'll do a different video to show you how to get the data off this. So this is the first step. This is executing the lab. Now a couple things. Notice right over here, let me go back to that. If you just drop the dune buggy, it tends to go crooked. And some dune buggies go crooked, so if you get one that won't go straight, grab another one. We've got plenty of them. Okay. So what I do is I start pushing it forward, and I make sure it's going in a straight line. It'd be easier if one person did this and another person let go. And I let go of the dune buggy of the fan cart right when the dune buggy was even. Okay. So the question is, how do we adjust our speed? I'll show you how to do that now. The direction of the fan on the fan cart you can change by sliding the motor. Okay, so you can adjust it by moving it left or right. Obviously that will go faster than that will, so I can control my speed. Just keep track. You may have to do 3 or 4 or 5 times to get the speed just how you want it, but that's how you do it. We've got plenty of time to do this lab, so we want to get it right. So you can just adjust that back and forth. The bigger the angle, the more you turn it to where the fan's pushing sideways, the slower it will go. So you can adjust your speed that way.